Hi, my name is Soltani, patient of Dr. Courtney. I injured my back in the early 90s when I was in my early 20s. Playing football with a bunch of buddies every Sunday. One day I tackled the guy the wrong way and ended up getting a couple of herniated discs in my lower back, L5, S1. I let it go for a while. I was young, I would recover from my back going out, within a couple of days. It was no big deal. As I got older, it became an issue. Couldn't recover as quick. I tried physical therapy, did the cortisone shots a few times. I would get some relief for a short time, but then it would come back again. And as I got older, once my back would go out, I would be out for like a week or two instead of a couple of days. Eventually, my wife saw an article on Dr. Courtney. I guess he's in sports like I am, so she thought it'd be a good idea to see him. And I had seen other surgeons, and I wasn't impressed with their recommendations and how they were going to fix the problem. But once I met Dr. Courtney, it seems like a good choice. And we got the back done, and 6 weeks later, after getting the surgery, I was able to get back to work, and I've been active since. I've done back to weightlifting, running, and all that stuff. So it was a good choice. Fast forwarding to 2015, now I'm active again, and I picked up Muay Thai, which is a Thailandian kickboxing. Got into a clinch with a guy. He was able to put excessive force on my neck, and I ended up injuring my C4 and 5, basically a herniated disc in my neck. Once again, I went back to Dr. Courtney, and first I did the injections, and this time I had no relief from that. And we did the physical therapy with no results, so Dr. Courtney decided to go ahead and do a surgery, and we did the surgery. The staff was great, once again, helping us out from the paperwork process to answer any questions we had, any concerns. So once we went to go ahead and did the surgery, I recovered probably within, this time, 8 weeks, being older. And I'm now back to being completely active again. I'm a professional pilot, and there's a lot of times, I'll fly with a guy for a week and we talk about different things, and his injuries come up and surgeries, and I'll fly with a guy who's got lower back issues or neck issues, being a common problem with the spine. I always recommend Dr. Courtney. I don't care if they live in California or in Florida. I always tell them, man, you need to come toward Dallas, look him up. I trusted him, and he did a really good job with me, and I'm a proof of his work. So I couldn't be any happier.